Hai, videonya akan dimulai dalam 5 detik lagi. So, subscribe sekarang di bawah. Bagi yang belum, go, go, go. 3, 2, 1, action.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Latifah, from the Mathematics Education Study Program. In this video, I will explain the material about mathematical logics, starting with that's it. Propositional logics. Logics is aspects of mathematics, but at the same time it is much language fits in the late 19 and early 20 countries. There were believed that everything in mathematics can be reduced to logic, symbols, and can be made completely formal. This belief then thought still had in its current modified form has been seconded by Keith Golden in 1930 when he showed that 3 is a vast number of truths that cannot be derived in any formal system. The study of symbolic logic usually divided into several sections. The first and most basic is propositional logic. On its latter is predicate logic, which the language of mathematics. 1.1 Proposition. Definition 1.1 Proposition. A proposition is a sentence that is either true or false, but not both at a time. Example 1.1 Proposition. Bukit Tinggi is the capital of the province of West Sumatra. A triangle has 3 interior angles. 2 plus 6 equals 9. 9 is a prime number. All of the statements above can be determined is true follows and only has one truth value. Example 1.2 Not a proposition. Is Didi at home? Do the exercise on page 2, 3, 4. Effendi's painting is very beautiful. Get well soon. X plus 6 equals 9. All the statements in the last example are not proposition. The first is a question, and the second is a comment. And because asking is not a proposition, the third has a relative truth value. Some people will think it's true, but others make think value is false. So it has truth values. Furthermore, the statement for is a hope. The last statement is true value is still open depending on the value of x. 1.2 Logical links and links. From the or more single proposition, we can form a proposition on the form of negation or use a logic link, logical connectives. There are 4 logical connectors that we are familiar with, namely conjunction and disjunction or implication and implication. 1.2.1 Negation. The negation of a proposition is defined as not the case the proposition. Negation is denoted by negation. We can make statement negation or negation of a statement by adding or omit the word no or not in the initial statement. Example 1.3 Q. Mr. X is a man. Q. Mr. X is not a man. In negation, the truth value is the opposite of the truth value narrative of the proposition. Like in the example, if someone is a boy, so P value is true, but negation P be false. Next verse, if someone is a girl, the following is the truth table of the negation, in where B means true and S means false. 1.2.2 Conjunction. Conjunction, uncompound proposition connected by the word and or which conjunction are denoted by N. We define that statement P and Q are true if P is true and Q is true, and statement P and Q is false if P is false or key is false. This is definition described in the following truth table. Example 1.4. Ki Ajokudun is from Pariaman. True. Ki UNP is in Padang. True. P and Ki Ajokudun is from Pariaman and UNP is in Padang. True. Example 1.5. A. 7 is a prime number. True. B. 7 is an even number. False. A and B. 7 is an even prime number. False. 1.2.3 Disjunction. A disjunction is a compound proposition connected by the word, or disjunction is denoted by, or we define the statement P or Q is true if P is true or Q is true, and the statement P or Q is false is if P is false and Q is false. The definition is illustration in the following truth table. Example 1.6. Ki today is Sunday. False. Ki UNP is in Jakarta. False. P or Ki today is Sunday or UNP is in Jakarta. False. 1.2.4 Implication. Implication are compound proposition in the form of if then and therefore with statement if P then Q can be read if P then Q. That this case P is called antecedent, while Q is called consequence. Mark the truths can be seen in the following table. Statement if P then Q can also be read P cause Q, P causes Q, P is coefficient condition for Q, Q is the result of P, Q if P or Q is a necessary condition for P. Example 1.8. Ki tono mal, ki tini mal. False. If P then Q, if tono is mal, then tini is mal. False. Example 1.9. A. Today is Sunday. False. B. UNP is in Jakarta. False. If A then B, if today is Sunday, then UNP is in Jakarta. True. 1.2.5 B. Implication. B. Implication is a compound proposition related to the word if and only if, which they denoted by. So the statement we read P if and only if Q. In addition, the statements P if and only if Q can also be read. P is equivalent to Q. P is a sufficient and necessary condition for Q. The truth value of the B implication can be seen in the following table. Example 1.11. Ki tono mal, ki tini mal. P if only if ki tono is male, if and only if tini is male. False. Example 1.12. A. Today is Sunday. False. B. UNP is in Jakarta. False. A. If and only if B. Today, the equivalent of UNP is in Jakarta. True. The that no compound proposition with various value of the truth depends on the truth value. In the following selection, we will recognize the term for proposition was truth value the fixed, namely tautology the contradiction. That's all I can convey in this video. If there is a misspelled word, please forgive me. Stay healthy and excited. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.